Hello guys, it's Adam from ISA. Today I'm coming to Foshan Hanzson Building Materials Limited Corporation. Our company is one of the world's leading manufacturers and developers of construction systems for door, windows, and safety technology. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hanzson offers a comprehensive range of products, including automatic door systems and door technology, glass systems, smoke and heat extraction systems, safety technology as well as window and ventilation technology. As one of the market, innovation and design leaders, the independently managed family company has decisively influenced facility engineering and building technology with pioneering developments. These developments are consistently being driven onwards in the company's technology century.
And the next part, let's welcome Candy, the foreign sales staff of Hanzson, to introduce some hot sales items of our company. Hello Candy.
Hello, nice to meet you. Okay, let me introduce our handle for use. First, this one handle is very hot selling in the markets, especially for the Middle East markets and Asia market. For this part, we made the aluminum alloy for the materials for the handles. And this one we selling by one piece. We can make different color, black, white, and silver color. Any color you want to buy, you can let us know. OEM or ODM designs colors are welcome. Another part I want to show you another handle. This one is very popular for South African market. So if you want this handle, you also can ask us. We can offer you different colors and OEM or ODM color available. So if you like it, please contact us as soon as possible.
Okay, Candy. So as I heard what you said, we have direct factories, alright?
Yes.
Okay, so could you please take me a look to visit our factory?
Yes, no problem.
Okay, sure, let's go. Now let's move to our factory. And here is our production line. Our company provides a reliable guarantee for improving our product quality. Quality control for the whole process to do a good job in every detail. As you can see that all the workers are components of products. In the next part, I will show you different kinds of automation, production machines, and the factory to use.
This is our salt spray chamber. The samples can be made 72 hours without rust in appearance defects and have white spots on the surface but no rust in 96 hours. For our constant and serious efforts, our factories combined into the highest technology with the ever-developing modern designs. From the selection of material to the structure, we entrust with strictly high standard. It makes our products quality, marketing, promotion, and customer service improving unceasingly. 70% of our products has been exported to all over the world. So for different customers, we always provide with the best solutions. Please make sure to follow us for more. We will provide special bonus for you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.